Good day to my future employer. My name is Milita Fidel Domingo. I'm 43 years old from Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I'm happily married of one girl, aged 15 years old. I'm a college level of vocational course for 2 years. I have one brother and 5 sisters. My first experience as a domestic helper is in Qatar since July 17, 2012 to July 10, 2014. I've served 4 members of the family. I'm taking care of the newborn baby and the 2 years old boy. And my duties and responsibilities are cooking, ironing, car washing, and marketing. My second experience is in Singapore since July 25, 2019 to July 30, 2020. I've served 4 members of the family. And my duties and responsibilities are cooking, ironing, car washing, marketing, and I'm taking care of one dog. My last experience is in Hong Kong since March 3, 2015 to May 17, 2017. I've served 2 Chinese couple family. And my duties and responsibilities are cooking, ironing, marketing, car washing, gardening, and I'm taking care of one dog. Mom and sir, I'm a hardworking person, honest and flexible. If you hire me, I will do my best, finish my 2 years contract. I hope you consider my application. God bless, Mom, and see you in Hong Kong. Thank you.